correct finger on the correct key in computer or typewriter keyboard. In modern world, learning the correct finger placement on the keyboard is very essential. You can increase the typing speed, such as using the home row keys, ASDF from the left hand, and JKL, sometimes colon, from the right hand. You don't need to look at the keyboard and can minimize the errors when typing. I think you like to know about the history of the typewriter. In 1714, Mr. Henry Mill created a typing device with a patent. He got a patent. There is no evidence it was built earlier. In 1829, an American inventor, Mr. William Austin Burt, invented typographer, that is called typographer, with a patent. He has also a patent. This was considered as the first typewriter, but it was very slow and inefficient compared to handwriting. In 1837, Mr. Charles Turber created another typewriter design, but it was never widely used. In 1867, first practical typewriter was created by Christopher Latham Scholes, along with partners Carroll Glidden and Samuel Saul. In 1873, this typewriter design sold to Remington Arms Company. They launched the Remington No. 1 typewriter in 1874. This was the first commercial typewriter and typed only in uppercase letters. Okay, in 1878, Remington No. 2 typewriter introduced with shift keys, allowing users to switch between uppercase and lowercase letters. Okay, in 1890, the Underwood Typewriter Company popularized the visible typewriter. The text can be seen while typing. Okay, in 1900 to 1920, portable typewriters were introduced, aiming writers and journalists. In 1920 to 1930, typewriter gained more features such as backspace keys, tabulations. In 1930 to 1960, the first electric typewriter called Electromatic was introduced. This was later acquired by IBM. After that, in 1970s to 1980s, word processors and personal computers replaced. Fortunately, I could have an old Remington typewriter manufactured in 1956 with Swedish letters. Then I can upload some videos on typewriting as Ruth.Shorthand. Now I am doing Ruth.Shorthand channel, and I can combine with the Ruth.Shorthand and typing lessons equally, because the typewriting and shorthand are equally used. Okay, thank you so much.